So Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI,
Yeah.
he recently said something pretty wild.
Oh.
Like, he thinks that a solo founder building like $1 billion company,
Okay.
but like with no employees, just AI.
Wow.
And it sounds like science fiction, right? But then when you actually think about it, AI is getting really good.
Totally.
Like AI agents are
Yeah.
like taking on all these tasks.
You ever learning?
And like learning, making decisions.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it kind of feels like, well, employees almost.
Right. And the crazy thing is we're not even talking about like way in the future.
Yeah.
This is starting to happen now.
Yeah.
We're already seeing AI making a difference for startups.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think it's exciting, whether you're thinking about starting your own thing or just you're kind of curious where AI is headed.
Yeah.
So today we're going to dive into all that. We'll unpack how AI is changing startups, and we'll look at 5 key areas where AI is already having a big impact.
Cool. And we'll look at some real examples.
Exactly. So first up, let's talk about like the foundation of any startup, right?
The idea.
The idea.
Yeah.
Every founder knows how important that is.
Totally.
That like initial spark.
It's everything.
And AI is changing that through something called
research-driven ideation.
Research-driven ideation.
Or RDI.
Or RDI.
Okay.
So like imagine you're building an app to like help pet owners.
All right.
RDI is kind of like having a whole bunch of research assistants.
Like a little army.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whole army. And they're like scouring the web.
Going through forums.
Social media, like everywhere to find unmet needs.
Yeah. Things that people need, but there's no solution for yet.
Exactly. So like it could uncover this huge demand for, I don't know, like personalized pet insurance.
And maybe you never would have thought of that yourself.
Exactly.
It's about going beyond what we see on the surface.
That's a really good point. And so RDI, it's not just about saving time, right?
No.
It's about finding these opportunities that you might like completely miss.
Yeah. Humans just can't analyze data the way AI can.
Right.
So AI can see trends and patterns that we might not even notice.
So it's like a secret weapon?
Totally.
That gives you a real edge?
Huge advantage.
Okay, so you have your idea.
Now what?
Now you need to understand your customers.
Right. Who are you building this for?
And AI can help with that too in a really powerful way.
Tell me more.
Like you can create what are called living customer personas.
Living.
Yeah, I know it sounds kind of creepy.
What it is, yeah.
But it's not about like creating digital clones.
Yeah.
It's about understanding your audience really, really deeply.
Okay, so how does it actually work?
So these AI, they go through tons of data.
Like what kind of data?
Oh, everything. Like online behavior, social media, purchase history, reviews.
Wow, so it goes way beyond just basic demographics.
Yeah, much deeper. It helps you understand like their motivations.
Their pain points.
Their pain points, yeah. And even predict what they'll do.
That's amazing.
It's powerful stuff.
Yeah.
And like having that knowledge, it changes everything.
It informs your product development.
Your marketing.
Your whole business, really.
Yeah. And speaking of product development, AI can help you build your product, even if you don't know how to code.
Really?
Yeah. I was reading about this founder.
Okay.
He was building an app, and his technical co-founder kind of bailed on him.
Oh, no.
Yeah, he was devastated. But instead of giving up, he turned to ChatGPT.
To build the app?
Yeah, to build his MVP.
Wow.
I know, and ChatGPT helped him like generate code,
wow.
troubleshoot bugs, even design the user interface.
That's incredible.
I know. And he got it up and running way faster than he ever could have before.
So it really is making it possible for anyone to build a tech product.
That's the thing. It's so exciting.
Totally.
And then once you have your product, how do you like get the word out?
Right. You need to market it.
Exactly. And AI's like transforming marketing and customer engagement too.
Oh, what way?
So AI agents can analyze data about your audience.
Okay.
And then automatically create like personalized sales materials.
Oh, wow.
Write ad copy.
And even handle customer questions.
Yeah, like in real time.
That's incredible.
I know. It's like having a whole marketing team working for you.
But without the cost.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not just any marketing. It's like
super personalized.
Yeah, super personalized. It's about like building those real connections.
That lead to loyal customers.
Exactly. And the best part.
What's that?
AI doesn't just help you launch. It helps you constantly improve.
Oh, right. Because it can analyze data and feedback.
Yeah, and market trends.
So you can make sure your product is really hitting the mark.
Exactly. Product market fit.
Yeah, the holy grail of startups.
I know. And that continuous learning, it's like vital in the startup world.
Things change so fast.
Yeah. And AI helps you like adapt, find new opportunities.
Pivot your strategy if you need to.
Right. It's like having a data-driven co-founder.
Always looking for ways to improve.
Exactly. So we've talked about AI and idea generation, understanding customers, product development,
Marketing.
marketing, and continuous learning.
It's mind-blowing.
I know. AI is totally changing the game for solo founders. So I'm curious, what part of this, like, excites you the most?
It's hard to choose, but I think the biggest question is like, what happens when anyone with a good idea and access to AI can build a successful business?
Yeah.
What will that do to the world of entrepreneurship? What problems could we solve? It's like the possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
It's really up to us to explore them.
Absolutely.